Welcome back, guys. All right, new project for today or this afternoon. I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out real quick. Check it out. Check it out. Got some new seats. Fixing to install some new seats in the boat. I know I probably should do my carpet first, but seat is easy to take off when we get ready to do the carpet. So it's kind of my plans is redoing the carpet on this boat. I'm gonna go ahead and install these new seats because the ones I have on my boat right now, a little old, kind of soft, got some tears on that one. I'm gonna do a little makeover on this boat. Really thinking about wrapping it. So leave a comment, let me know what y'all think. But this is an old boat, so I mean, look at it, it's all faded. I've tried to get the shine back on it. I'm sure there's products out there to do that, but I mean, hell, I'm putting a bunch of new upgrades on it. Why not wrap it? So even though it's an old boat, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do it anyways. But I'm gonna start little by little doing the carpet. I'm gonna go ahead and do my seats, and then maybe sometime this week or within this month, I'm going to get some quotes on a wrap and see how much that's going to cost. I also have some brand new tires that I got on sale at Academy for $39, so I'll probably slap on some new tires on it too. So I don't know, just kind of sprucing up the boat a little bit. So if I'm going to keep it for a couple of more years, might as well make it look good. All right, so let's get to it. We'll go ahead and unbox these seats and start installing them. Go ahead and open this one real quick. Man, it smells new. Check that out, guys. It's a high back seat. Man, that looks pretty sharp, don't it? Man, look at that. That feels good. Hopefully, it should match. The old one's got light gray and dark gray on it. Man, it just looks comfortable. What do you think, guys? All right, we'll go ahead and take the other one out and start dismantling the old seats, and hopefully they go in just as easy. The only thing is this is a high back seat. It's got a metal bracket on it. I don't know if you can see that. It's metal as opposed to the ones that are in that I have right now. They're plastic, it looks like. Anyways, I don't know. I like them. I think they look pretty sharp. So they look pretty comfy too. Go ahead and get them installed. All right, let's get them in here. There's 4 bolts, guys. The seat should just drop off. Strip. All right, one seat out the way. Fairly simple. Let's go ahead and knock the other one installed. I think they look pretty good. What do y'all think? I think they look pretty good. It's a little high right there on this part, especially sitting in the cockpit. I mean, as far far as cushion and comfort, they're pretty awesome. They're the Cabela's. Hold on, let me look here real quick. Get down off this boat. I want to say it's the Cabela's Pro Qualifier series. They got a tournament series. They got like 3 or 4 different kind, and high back, low back seats. I went with the charcoal gray. Kind of like that red because I was thinking about doing the red because the wrap I want to do. I'm thinking about having like red, gray, and black in it. But I figured reds is hard to match because I don't know. So I decided not to do it. So I went with just a neutral, like a charcoal seat. Man, those are nice. I like them. But I'm definitely going to have red in the wrap if I do it. I don't know yet. I'm still not even sure if I'm going to do the wrap, but I think I'm going to do it. But I do want it to match my truck. So and my truck is like a bright red. If you can see. It's a pretty bright color. So I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all like it or not. But yep, pretty pumped up about the new seats. So ready to get on the water, ready to get the new carpet in the boat. Probably going to order that this week. And if I get with Ricky, I'm going to take my boat over to his house and leave it in his garage, and we're going to work on it, you know, an hour or 2 after work when we get off work, and hopefully we can get it all finished and done in a week, because man, fishing season is about to get good. So you all know that, guys. So I don't know, we'll see how this boat turns out. Kind of pumped up about, you know, sprucing it up. So yeah, all right, if y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up. If not, oh well. But until next time, we'll catch y'all on another project or on the water, who knows. But thanks for watching, guys.